Seven Shores Naples construction update, July 21st, 2026. Welcome to the latest construction update from Seven Shores in beautiful Naples, Florida. Today's aerial drone footage provides a great look at the impressive progress taking place throughout this exciting new community. From above, you can clearly see new homes rising, roads and landscaping continuing to take shape, and Seven Shores steadily becoming one of Naples' most desirable new neighborhoods. As we move through the community, you'll notice the growing streetscape, completed homes, and the quality craftsmanship that is bringing this resort-inspired neighborhood to life. When complete, Seven Shores will feature thoughtfully designed homes, beautiful lakes, and an outstanding collection of amenities, including a resort-style pool, fitness center, pickleball courts, tennis courts, and inviting social spaces designed for the Southwest Florida lifestyle. Conveniently located in Naples, Seven Shores offers easy access to world-class beaches, shopping, dining, golf, and everything that makes this area one of the most sought-after places to live. If you're considering purchasing a home in Seven Shores or anywhere in Southwest Florida, let Southwest Coast Realty represent your interests as your dedicated buyer's agent. Our representation is focused on helping you make informed decisions every step of the way. For more information, contact Southwest Coast Realty at 239-229-9926. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Southwest Florida